In this guide, I'll show you how to change the default downloads folder in Opera GX. Begin by launching the Opera GX browser. Click on the Settings button located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Advanced to reveal additional settings. Continue scrolling down until you find the Downloads section. In the Downloads section, you will see the current download location. Click on Change next to the location. A file browser window will open. Browse through your folders and select the new location where you want your downloads to be saved, and then click on Select Folder to confirm your choice. If you prefer to choose the download location for each file individually, you can enable the option Ask Where You to save each file before downloading, and toggle the switch to enable this feature. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.